Introducing the OLC-15A, TUTCO Farnam's compact one-loop temperature controller, designed specifically for TUTCO Farnam process air heaters. Built for heaters up to 15 amps, the OLC-15A takes the time and complexity out of designing a custom control panel. Just pair it with a TUTCO Farnam heater and a temperature sensor, and you have a complete high-performance heating solution. At the heart of the OLC-15A is the Novus PID controller. It continuously monitors process temperature and automatically adjusts heater output to deliver fast response, stable control, and excellent temperature accuracy. On the front of the controller, the illuminated on-off rocker switch features a built-in circuit breaker, making the unit easy to operate while providing protection in the event of a short circuit. Inside the enclosure, you'll find a WEG contactor that safely switches power to the heater and handles the electrical load during operation. The Schneider Solid-State Relay, or SSR, rapidly cycles power to the heater, allowing the PID controller to maintain precise, consistent temperature control. A Rhino 24-volt DC power supply provides the low-voltage power needed for the contactor, alarm indicator, and control relay. That power is then distributed throughout the controller by the 24-volt DC distribution block. The power terminals provide convenient connections for incoming and outgoing power, AC voltage distribution, and external interlock wiring. The unit's terminal block accepts either thermocouple or RTD temperature sensors, giving the controller the accurate process feedback it needs for precise temperature regulation. At the bottom of the enclosure are two 1-inch conduit openings, making field wiring clean, simple, and straightforward. By combining accurate PID temperature control, high-quality industrial components, built-in safety features, and quick installation, the OLC-15A delivers a dependable thermal control solution for a wide range of electric process heating applications.